What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I know usually I don't do videos on Saturday, but I wanted to get this out there. This Elliott wave count that does seem to be playing out. We've been watching this for, about 3 or 4 weeks now. So far, so good playing out. I'm going to show you the invalidation and the validation points. I also have an announcement about my sponsor, Prime XBT, that I'll be talking about. I'm going to try to make this a quick update. I know everybody's probably got big plans for this weekend. Let me know what they are. If you do, down in the comment section below. Make sure you take a second out, smash the thumbs up, and let's get into it. We'll start out with the bigger time frames. So this is what I've been showing you guys for on the weekly, right? We had the hidden bearish divergence. We had higher highs in the RSI, lower highs in the price action. Even if we go from this top high right up here, we still had higher highs in the RSI, but lower highs in the price action, right? You can see that there. Hidden divergence is a continuation of the trend. The trend is down. We're also going to take a look at this chart. I tried to explain in yesterday's video, but let me go into it a little bit. So people are talking about this hidden bullish divergence right here, right? Which, of course, yes, it could be hidden bullish divergence, but we've seen that over here in 2017 to 2018 also, right? Just like this one here. And as you can see, we made lower lows in the price action twice, right here and right here. So it would have been there and there, right? We got bounces at those levels, but it came down to break all the way through, right? We still had lower to go. I think we're going to see most likely the same thing here. We had our 1, 2, get our big bump up, and then come down for our final capitulation. As I've been stating since December 2nd, 2021, I think the bottom will be, the true bottom will be in September or October of this year. Now, I could be wrong. None of this is financial advice, but so far everything is still playing out the way we expected, with the 100% false bottom rally and then a continuation to the downside coming, if I'm correct. Let's take a look at this. So here's the daily time frame. As you guys know, this is still a possibility in the cards, 31.5 to 32, which would be the measured move from this descending wedge right here, right where it broke out. We take a measured move, and it's simple as measuring the widest point of the wedge, bringing it over to where it broke out. That gets us to that 31.5. We could have been front ran here because we do have, you look closely, and I'll go into the smaller time frames, guys, and show you the count, but you can see a head and shoulders here. We came back up, retested this neckline twice. Now, if we get above this neckline, then get support here, that will invalidate this head and shoulders, right? But the measured moves from here, remember I said 200 EMA around 25,000 would be a good area to see a bounce. If this does break, then we look for around 23. It's actually around 23.5 in my count. Okay, here's what I wanted to announce for Prime. So I have some promo codes, guys, that I'm going to be giving away in my Discord. And the Discord's totally free. We don't charge for anything on this channel. The link is down below for the Discord, totally free. Just sign up, verify it's you and you're real, and it'll get you into the Discord. And I'll be giving away some promo codes with it'll be a promo code. Also attached to that, you'll be able to get a bigger bonus than normal, and I'll start giving that away probably beginning Monday in the Discord. So make sure you sign up to Prime, get your account ready, because I will be giving those away. Also, you can trade Forex, gold, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything from one exchange instead of jumping around from exchange to try to trade assets. You can also trade pre-markets and post-markets. They don't clump your trades all together. As you can see here, you can manage your trades. Each one you can manage in their own, without them being clumped together. So you can hedge your trades or do whatever. You can have longs and shorts at the same time. Definitely check them out if you haven't. You can use my promo code Savvy50. It'll get you up to a $7,000 bonus. Savvy25 will get you 25% off of your trading fees. That is huge. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. There's also a free contest section where you can join the contests for free without putting any money on. And if you win, you can use them funds for trades. All right. Let's take a look at my count. So this is the blue count I've been looking at as a 5-wave structure, right? Remember, this blue structure is where I think we're at now in the wave 3. But remember, there are wave counts within each wave. So in wave 3, we have this yellow count here, this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, right? So let's take a look at where this wave 3 hit. We're going to put our fibs on the top of that wave 1 there. Go down to the bottom of wave 2. And this is the yellow count, guys. And that gets us to right where it hit, that 1618, right? And then we got our bounce up. And if we look at where we're at here, this is the fourth wave in the yellow, which is the fourth wave of wave 2. We had a ABC simple correction here in this wave, 1, 2, right? And then we have our 5 waves down for 3, and then we had a complex correction, which ends up looking like a triangle, right? Now, what invalidates this yellow count? So if the yellow count goes above 27.7, which is the bottom of wave 1 here, then that's invalid. Then we can get rid of this yellow count, right? Wave 3 is what we're looking for now. Now, in this wave 5 of the yellow, which we're in now, I think this was wave 4, again, invalidated if we break above here. But this is wave 1, 2. I talked about this in yesterday's video. Look for 2 to end here, and then 3 coming down to somewhere around 24.2, 24.3, and then we could get a nice bounce up before coming down to the bottom of our blue wave 3 target. And guys, in my Discord, I'm going to start getting more active in there. As you guys know, I've been building a house, so I haven't had a whole lot of time, but I'm going to try to get in there at least an hour or 2 a day and go over these charts and discuss it with the members in the group. So definitely join. We're going to get a lot of value out of that. Also, let's take a look at this wave 2, this white wave count, which I believe to be wave 5, right? If this, it could go a little bit higher, right? So let's take a look at that. But remember, it could go up to retest the, where 1 started on this wave 1 count, right? Let's get this over. So this being wave 1, 2. So 2 could also get us up as high as 27, let's say 27.2. We could go all the way up to the 200 EMA, which is around 27.4, right in that range, as long as we don't break. So this is for the white count. As long as we don't break 27.5, right? Then this wave 1, 2 structure is still valid, looking for 3 down. But remember, 2 could get up to here, so be careful. If you guys are trading, definitely be patient. Wait for trades to show up. Wait for confirmations. If you get stopped out of a trade, don't just jump back in without making a plan. That's why most traders lose, right? So as of right now, we're getting rejected at the 55 EMA right here on the 4-hour. You can see we're getting a wick there. But remember, if we get back above here, we did retest this triangle. So this could be it. We could be getting our wave 3 down. And it probably could be pretty fast once it starts. We'll see, maybe ending by this weekend. But remember, my ultimate target down here is around 23.4, 23.5. It doesn't have to get all the way down there, maybe 23.6 if it does. And all that is if we take our Fibonacci retracement and put it up to the top of the blue wave 1, which is right here, down to the bottom of wave 1, which is right here, bring it up to the top of wave 2, which is right there on the blue count. That gets us to 1.618 down here around 23.5, right? So this is a pretty good looking Elliott wave structure, of course, unless we get invalidated. So far, there is no invalidation. But if you are trading, you need to learn these invalidation points. That will save you a lot of money by using stop losses to stop you out and then wait for a new confirmation or a new count. That would, if your count gets invalidated, you look for another one. That is how you trade. You're not going to win every trade. Anyone that says they win every trade is absolutely 100% lying to you. So anyways, this is what we're looking at. I'm still thinking we are in the 5th wave of wave 3 right here, right? Then once we get down to that 23.4, 23.5, as long as it doesn't break. Now, I'm not saying it has to hold, but if it doesn't hold, we could go a lot further, a lot quicker. But if this does, and it won't be the exact number, guys. If it does play out, we're going to get a bounce here somewhere, and we could go all the way back up as long as we don't break wave 1, right? So that'll be after the 23.5 to 24,000 range. we could get a bounce as long as it doesn't go above 27,000, which is the bottom of wave one. Then we, continue down from there. And what I did here, let me get this. This is for instructional, guys, so you guys understand your Fibonacci's a little bit, right? So if we go to the top of this wave 2, right? And let's say we get down, we're going to put our Fibonacci retracement on here. So if we go down to the bottom of wave 3, what could be wave 3, there's our retracement levels, right? That's after we hit the 23.5, 23.4. So the 0.382 fib would be right here around 26,000, 25.8 to 26,000 range right here that I have marked. That's why I have that marked. But it cannot go above the 27,000. So that would be, you had a deep correction here for 2. This would be a more shallow correction, right? There are lots of Elliott wave rules. I'm going to start going over all that stuff in the Discord. Now, I don't strictly trade Elliott wave unless I see a clean count. And if I do, I'll try to explain to you guys in detail in the Discord how that goes. So definitely make sure you get into the Discord. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm going to be showing a lot more info in there in the coming days. I'll probably start that Monday, but this is still what I'm looking for. This count has been valid. We made the count right here on Wednesday, the 23rd. We are now on Friday. That was April, right? Let me see. Yeah, that was back in April. So we've been in this count for about a month now, and so far it's still playing out beautifully. Everybody was saying that it was going to go up to 35,000 from here. So far, exactly what we've been looking for is happening. We'll see if it continues. Remember, your invalidation of the yellow count is a break of 27,000. That will invalidate this yellow count. So then we have to look for a new count. But so far, this does look like this blue count is definitely still playing out. Remember, there are Elliott waves within Elliott waves, right? The smaller time frames you go into. So you're always going to have bounces up and down. I'm not a day trader. I don't like staring at the charts all day and catching every little bounce. I like to trade in the 4 hour and up and stay in trades for days, sometimes weeks. Not letting the little volatility, get my emotions going, because that's how most traders lose. So anyway, again, if you guys enjoyed the video and you are interested in getting into the Discord, that is down below. Like I said, I'll be giving away some promo codes with some awesome bonuses on them. So definitely check it out. If you don't want to, that's fine too. Do what you got to do. But I will see you in the next video. Make sure you smash those likes. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I am going to start going into a lot more details into these videos, and they're all free. There is no charge. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one.